levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. And now a look at your forecast for Indianapolis and central Indiana. Rest of tonight. Isolated rain showers and thunderstorms through midnight, then rain showers and scattered thunderstorms through the late overnight. Scattered snow showers with isolated rain showers toward daybreak. Little or no snow accumulation. Breezy, colder with lows in the upper 20s. South winds 20 to 25 miles an hour, becoming southwest toward daybreak. Gusts up to 45 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation near 100%. For Monday, mostly cloudy with scattered snow showers. Total snow accumulation around an inch possible. Blustery and much colder with highs in the lower 30s. West winds 15 to 25 miles an hour with gusts up to 40 miles an hour. Chance of snow 40%. Monday night, mostly cloudy. Isolated snow showers through the late overnight. Colder with lows around 16. West winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Chance of snow 20%. For Tuesday, partly cloudy. Cold with highs in the upper 20s. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Once again, the forecast for rest of tonight. Isolated rain showers and thunderstorms through midnight, then rain showers and scattered thunderstorms through the late overnight. Scattered snow showers with isolated rain showers toward daybreak. Little or no snow accumulation. Breezy, colder with lows in the upper 20s. South winds 20 to 25 miles an hour, becoming southwest toward daybreak. Gusts up to 45 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation near 100%. Taking a look at the 3 through 7 day forecast for Indianapolis and central Indiana. Tuesday night, partly cloudy through the late overnight, then mostly cloudy with scattered snow showers toward daybreak. Little or no snow accumulation. Cold. Near steady temperature in the mid-20s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Gusts up to 20 miles an hour toward daybreak. Chance of snow 30%. For Wednesday, mostly cloudy with a slight chance of rain and snow through early afternoon, then partly cloudy late in the afternoon. Not as cool with highs in the mid-40s. Chance of precipitation 20%. Wednesday night, partly cloudy through the late overnight, then becoming mostly cloudy. Not as cool with lows in the mid-30s. For Thursday, partly cloudy with a slight chance of rain through early afternoon, then mostly sunny late in the afternoon. Not as cool with highs around 60. Chance of rain 20%. Thursday night and Friday, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 30s. Highs in the mid-60s. For Friday night and Saturday, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-40s. Highs in the upper 60s. Saturday night, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 40s. For Sunday, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-60s. The 8 to 14 day outlook for Monday, March 23rd through Sunday, March 29th, calls for temperatures to be near normal and precipitation to be below normal. Normal highs for the period are around 55 degrees, and normal lows are around 35. The normal precipitation total for the 7 days is between 0.85 and 0.90 inches.
Okay.